Oh my, go big or go home at Haulover, that's the only way to do it. Welcome back, guys. It is your host Broncos Guru along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet holding the sticks getting the images, and it's this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. Here you can see this little rib boat showing us that Haulover's having a heck of a day, and these guys are having a heck of time getting through the inlet. Does he have a Merc 90 on the back of that thing? Now, I'll be the first to admit, I don't know a ton about rib boats, but that seems like an awfully high power to weight ratio for a boat like this, but maybe I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments below, or is there no such thing as too much power? Let's get this episode started. Our first vessel to take on Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when we come rolling through Haulover still looking good. For some reason, these older Scarabs, man, I don't know why, but they've always got fresh paint and always are looking sharp. Even though the boat looks good doesn't mean they're always going to look good as they roll through Haulover Inlet. These guys are probably coming through just a hair slow, but it is a pretty big day at Haulover, so I do know I have to give the boats a little bit of a break on that. These guys are still riding pretty good though. They're keeping a nice bow height, keeping the water out of the boat's always a good thing, and you know what? I'm going to go ahead and toss them a win even though I felt they came through a little slow, and the boats are going to take the first round. Our second contestant to do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when we come through Haulover and get that free Haulover deck rinse. So calling it a free Haulover deck rinse, that might be a little bit of an understatement because you do lose a little pride when you come through here, so it's not 100% free. But here you're going to see these guys have made a big mistake and they have slowed down. Now the bow of the boat's dropped and all they can do is try and keep the water out. Really, they should be back on the throttle here, but they're not going to do that. They're going to slow roll it. And of course, they're quickly going to learn, well, that was a mistake. They should have been back on the gas. Here they're getting the free Haulover deck rinse, and it's kind of like a water park ride. Everybody gets wet. Everybody has a good time. The only advantages, you have no lines, no crowds, no masks, you just go out there and do it. But this boat was rocked pretty good by Haulover here, so we're definitely going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover. There are several things you can do to help increase your chances of successfully navigating Haulover, and one of them is learning how to handle your throttle timing on your vessel. It also helps to have a pretty formidable boat like we're going to see right here as well. But you're going to see these guys are coming blasting out of Haulover, but they notice there's a large vessel coming in as well, so they slow down, but they slow down with intention, but still keep the pace going strong enough where they stay on plane. This helps keep the bow of the vessel up so you don't get any water in the boat, and it also helps you take a win for the boats at Haulover. Our vessel in the fourth round is going to show us that Haulover roller coaster. Some people really take a ride when they're coming through Haulover. Like we're going to see right here, these guys basically get smacked every few seconds by a decent sized wave, and this is a pretty good sized boat, which shows you that it's not always just about the size of the vessel you have at Haulover. You've got to do your part, and here they're just coming through too slow, and Haulover's absolutely making them pay for it. They're going for one heck of a ride here. Now, even though for the most part they keep the water out of the vessel, Haulover gave them absolute whiplash coming through here, and the Haulover roller coaster is going to take the win in this round. Now it's going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or will it be Haulover Inlet? Our next boater is going to show us what it's like in the fifth round to just come powering through Haulover. Here, this vessel's going to come through, throttles down, and see if it can give Haulover a run for its money. Haulover's been firing on all cylinders today, so they are coming through faster than most of the boats we've seen, but they seem to be holding well. They're hugging the north side of the inlet, which is typically the calmer side, and it looks like, yep, they're going to blast their way right on out of here. Boats are going to take the win this week. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great action down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And our newest channel, Miami Boat Ramps, that focuses on all the hilarious things that happen at the boat ramps in Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.